Last week on Southern Star, I reviewed the Camco Water Filter. There's the filter, and there it is attached with the no kink hose protector on that end. I did want to take a minute to show you the flow that comes out of the hose with the pre-filter attached. And what I'm going to do is actually take a test kit and test the water to see what the level of chlorine is after it's gone through the pre-filter and into my tank. All right, here it is, scientific proof. Did the filter get a good review or a bad review? I have a link in the description below to last week's video. Go ahead and check it out. This week, I get my new generator installed.
These are the knees for a platform to support a 3.5 next generation generator in a 320 iron packet. It also has a base for an aqualift muffler being epoxied in place. This is the platform for a 3.5 next generation generator inside of a 320 alum packet. We have moved the refrigeration compressor over, moved the battery charger to accommodate this space for the generator. The knees have now been epoxied in place, ready for gel coat. George glassing in our bed for the generator. Using fast epoxy to set the brace. For a 3.5 generator, next generation generator, and the muffler stand, and gel coated out, ready for generator. This is the insulation on the generator compartment for a 320. But it includes all the walls and the overhead. This is a video of the layout for the inverter and the sound shield for a 3.50 next generation generator, and the bracket that needed to be made to support the refrigeration compressor so it would not interfere with the sound shield. Tight space, but everything fits. This is the tub of a 3.5 next gen generator sitting on its shelf in a 320 iron packet. This shows the refrigeration compressor on a bracket to support it out of the way of the sound shield. Those are the bus bars and power outlet on the forward wall. Needs to be cleaned up a little, but it's getting there. This is our new exhaust through hole with the rubber flap for our 3.5 kW next gen generation generator in a Island Packet 320. This is a 3.5 next generation generator in its suitcase. Just took the cardboard box off it. Here's the manual, instrument panel, harness, the wire for the blower, and the fuel filter assembly. This is the next generation 3.5 with the top of the suitcase undone. Very compact. Great little generator. This is 3.5 kW next gen generation going into the 320 Island Packet. We had to take some stuff off it and turn it sideways to get it through the hatch. This is our next gen in the compartment, and that is the pan for the sound shield there, which we have to put in the generator into the pan because it would not go through the hatch in one piece. Looking down on the starboard aft hatch where we put our 3.5 kW next generation generator, which is now on its stand, and most of the systems are hooked up. Tomorrow we hope to have it up and running. This is the through-hole seawater strainer and marsh pump for the seawater system on our 3.5 next gen. It is located in the shaft alley with the stuffing box. This is the generator running when I'm standing in the cockpit. Very quiet.
So that wraps it up for this week. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found value in this video, can you please hit the like button below? It really helps grow my channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss an episode.